Hey everybody, it's Tom Neverman from Tour-O-Domo. I've got a big announcement, but first we have to answer the question for today. What's the best part about moving? Think about it. We're back in 3 seconds. Okay, the best part of moving is the house hunting. Am I right? It can be so much fun touring all those different homes with the family, the kids fighting over who gets which bedroom, looking at all the finishes on the countertops and the marble in the bathroom, and oh, the view from the pool. Well, the first time through any house is exciting. And then there are so many houses to go through until you finally find the one, the perfect house. And you make an offer. Now that excitement turns to exasperation as you nervously wait to see if your offer is accepted. They make a counteroffer, and you counter their counter. Now you may start to feel a little bit of stress at this point. Are we going to get this house? Oh my God, we got to get this house. I want this house. And then your offer gets accepted. That's when it hits you. We're moving. Oh no! That's also the time my clients reach out to have me join them for a walkthrough so we can start planning the move. They don't even really remember much about the house from the first visit. But I'm not there to look at countertops and stunning views. No. I'm laser focused on the pantry. Are the shelves fully adjustable? Is the kitchen laid out efficiently? Is there a prep area? Are there drawers for cooking utensils, or do they have to live on the countertop? I want to measure the linear hanging space in all the closets, and I have to measure the shoe shelves so I know how many pairs will fit on each shelf. You see where I'm going? This is where my mind goes. This is how my mind works. Being a little OCD, or a lot, is a blessing and a curse. And for the past 34 years, I've made a business out of it. My clients find a house, we help make it their home. So I thought, wouldn't it be fun to house hunt with you? Well, starting Monday, I'm producing a weekly video series called Tour-O-Domo. I'm going to shepherd you through some of the most stunning homes on the market today. Using virtual tour programs, we're going to look at what works organizationally in these homes, as well as some possible suggestions on how to make the house more efficient and functional. I'll offer tips, tricks, and products to help anyone get any home more organized. This is going to be fun, and there'll be some amazing house porn. So follow us. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Thanks for watching.